Now students, Namaste to all. First we start our chapter the like knowing our numbers. Now we start the numbers, how to know the numbers. Now first of all, what is the numbers are there. Now the students first the number we use for the counting, like any object we use the counting. Now like I have a marker and I want to count because I have a 1. So now what is the name of this? This is the 1 according to 1 digits. So now the number is used for the starting the counting, and the numbers are there like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the numbers to use for the counting, so on, etc. So now like we are having in the numbers, we are according to know the number by the digits also and by the name also. So now according to digits, first we know the digits are there like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In this we are having only the 1 digit. So now in the 1 digits we call the 1 digit number because in the only 1 digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Clear? Now we are moving to the next, like to the 2 digits number, because we know the number according to digit also. So now by the digit we write like 2 digit. So now what is the 2 digit number? Now 2 digit number in which we are having the 2 digit like 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6. These are the example of 2 digit number because in this we are having the 2 digits. Like I write the example at here 0 and 1. Ma'am, it is also a 2 digit. No students, because this is a 2 digit number, because the 0 is present at the before of 1. So now 0 is not a valuable before the number. Like we are having, we getting the marks like 0, 5 out of 10. So now we write like this form. So but 0 and 5, 0, 5 we read not as a 50, we read as a 5 only. So now it is called only the 1 digit number, we not read as a 2 digit number. Okay students, now we are having moving to the next number like a 3 digit number. So what is the 3 digit number? The 3 digit number is in which we are having the 3 digits like 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now like this 2, 6, 3, so on. These are the 3 digits number. Like when we are having the 4 digit number, in which we are having the 4 digits like a 5 digit. So now we are having the 5 digits are there. Now we are know the numbers according to digit at here, and we move to the next by the numbers, because जब हम digits के through जान रहे हैं, तो now we are having the only 2 names are there at the home and at the school. We are like by the different names. So similarly, this is the knowing the numbers by the digit, like a 3 digit number, 4 digit number, in which are having the 4 digit. And we move into the according to name, because we going to the like another place and name of our is changed. So similarly, the name of the number is changed at the Indian system of numeration and the international of system of numeration. So now today I will consider as the Indian system of numeration. So now we know the numbers. Before the Indian system of numerations, we start the comparisons of number कि how to compare the number of the digit, कि हम digits के through numbers को कैसे compare कर सकते हैं. तो now the first topic is here the comparison of number. Now the comparison of number according to digit. Like the first rule we are having the both number having the 2 same digits. The first rule when we are having the same digit, like a same digit number at here. Now I write 36 and 42. So now both are having the 2 digit number. How to compare these 2 numbers? So now the comparison of means the first at here, the which is one is greater and which one is less and which one is equal to. This is the comparison in the mathematics at here. So now the 3 and 6 and 4 and 2, how to compare? Both are having the 2 digits number. So now the like 3 and 6 and 4 and 2. So now the 3 and 6 and 4 and 2 we compare from the left hand side of the number. And the left hand side is the 3 number is here in the first number, and 42 is we are having the 4. So now which one is greater as compared to 3 and 4? We are having the 4 as a greater as compared to 36. So now this one is 36 and this one is 42. So now 42 is greater as compared to 36, because the first number is greater of the number of 42. Clear? This is the first rule when we are having the same digits number. Like when we are in change, the second rule I am taking it here. I explain the second rule when we are having the digits are changed. हमने सेम से चेक किया एंड वी मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर लाइक द different digits of number, like different digit number at here. I write here like a 9 and the second one is 21. So now this one is a different sign of number right here. This is a one digit number, this is a two digit number. So now how to compare? This is easily to compare because the one is greater than one is smaller than two digits number. Clear? Similarly, three digit number is greater than the two digit number. Four digit number and five digit number we compare. The five digit is greater. So similarly, 2 and 1 having the two digit number, the two digit number is greater as always to 9 because 9 is a one digit number. I am taking the another example at here like 36 and 454. So now in the 454 we are having the three digits are there and the 3 and 6 two digit only here. So now the three digit number is greater than as compared to two digit number. So now we can easily compare when we are having a different digit number according to counting of digit and we put the sign of the greater in which the greatest digit are present. Okay students, now we are moving to the next, like the next rule. Now we moving to the next rule as here for the comparison. When we are having the number are same at the left hand side, like the first number is same. Now the first number is same. Now I write here 36 and 32. I am taking the example 36 and 32. So in which 36 and 32 I start the comparison from the left hand side and the first number is 3. First we apply the OR rule. Both are the two digit numbers. Next we check the first number of the numbers. So now in the 3 and the second one is also a 3. दोनों में 3 है. At the next what we do? So now we are moving to the next number and the next number is 6 is here. And in the second one we moving to the next is 2 is here. So now we compare the 6 and 2 because 3 और 3 को तो हम compare कर ही नहीं सकते because these are to the equal here. So now we compare the 6 and 2 at here. So this one is 6 and this one is 2. So now as compared to 6 and 2, 6 is greater because 6 2 के बाद में आता है. Here therefore 6 is greater as compared to 2. So now which one is greater? The number 36 is greater as compared to 32. This one is the comparison of number according to the digits. So now we are moving to the next part of this. This is the comparison, and after comparisons we are moving to the next to know the number according to the name. So now how to know the how to write the name of the numbers. So now for finding the name we are having the two methods. The first is here Indian system of numeration. Like Indian system of numerations. So now what is Indian system of numerations? So now Indian system of numerations we use the numbers like 100, thousands, 10,000, crore, lakh. These terms are used in the Indian system of numerations. Clear? Now but first the like example giving the first like 3 and 2 because the two digits number are there. So now 3 and 2, how to write the 3 and 2 at here? So now 2 is the ones place because this is the one digit number. When we combine with the 3, this is converted into the two digits number. And 2 is placed at the ones. It is called a ones digit number. Now the next one is the place of the 3 is tens because when we write the places or when we find the places started from the right side of the number. So now this is ones and this is tens. So now 3 is placed with the tens. So now write the name 3 as a tens. So now how to tens? Tens is read as a 30, 40. The table of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40. The name of 3 with 10 is called a 30. Now this one is easily. Now this one is 30. After that 2 is here. So now the ones digit is always read as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly we write at here 2. So now this one is 32. The number is easily right for the two digit. Now we are moving to the next number like a three digit, like 564. So now we always use at home like a 500 notes, 100 notes. We are used as a money, like a purchasing for anything. So we use a money as a 100. Now the 500 rupees are there. So now how to read, how to know the 500, how to Now the 4, because the 4 is placed with the ones. Now the 6 is present as a tens and 5 is present as a hundred. Because the 100 are having the 3 digit. The 100 number having the 3 digit, therefore we say the 500, 100, 200. Because in the 200 we are having the 3 digits, because 0, 0 and 2. The 3 numbers are there and it is called a 100. So now the number is 5 is present with the 100. So 5 को 100 की terms में announce करना है, तो name the 5 is 500. So now the name of this 500. After that 6 with the tens के साथ 6 को, so now this is 60, and after that is 4 ones के साथ, so now read as a 4. Any doubt? We write the number according to the 3 digits and the 2 digits. Now we are moving to the next when we are having the greatest numbers are there. Greatest number भी तो होते हैं हमारे पास, like a 5 digit, 6 digit and 7 digits number. So now before writing the number of the greatest number, we use the comma at the first. Then we move to the write the name of the number. So now according to Indian system, how to put the comma? Because 3 digits में comma की need नहीं होती. Why we क्यों comma की need नहीं है? The reason is coming here, like 3, 2, 6, 4, 5. I gave the 5 digits number at here and I want to put the comma as here. Because in the Indian system we are having the more than 3 digits number, we put the comma, then we write the number of this. So now we put the comma according to Indian system. The first comma is placed after the 3 digits from the right side. From the right side of the number, we put the first comma after the 3 digits. So now 1, 2 and 3. And the remaining comma is put after the 2 digits. The remaining all commas, like I put the first comma at here, now we moving to the next. Like 3, 2, 6, 4, 7, 9. And the 4. I put the next number and in which we are having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 digits number are there. And I want to write the name of this. So now we put the first as a comma. So now we put the comma is starting the counting from the right side, 1, 2 and 3. The comma is placed. According to Indian system, first comma is placed after the 3 digits and the remaining all commas are present after the 2 digits. Because Indian system के अंदर हमारे जो boxes होते हैं वो 2 parts में break है. Now I put it here, first comma, and after that I put the second comma at here after the 2 digits. Now 1 and 2. Now we start the writing the names. So this is the method to first put the comma greater than 4 digits number. Okay. Now we are moving to write the numbers name of the greatest digits number. So for know the greatest digit of number at here. So now we are having the table. How to write the name? We are having a table and the name of table is a place value chart. Now the table is here. I break down the table. Now I having a table like the 3 digits number is easily to write like the ones. After ones we are having a tens. After tens we are having 100. 3 digit number is easily to write. After 100 we are moving to the 4 digit number, and in the 4 digit number we are used as a 1000 term. But the 1000 box is divided into the 2 part. Why 1000 box is divided into the 2 part? Because according to comma we write the comma after the 3 digits and the next comma is put after the 2 digits. Therefore 1000 is break down into the 2 part is a 10,000 and the next one is a 1000. Clear? Now remaining next again move. The left place is coming at how? Now the left place is again divided into the 2 parts because the next comma is put after all comma 2 digits. So now this is the 10 lakh and the left. And after the left we are having the crore, and the crore box is again divided into the 2 parts like the 10 crore and the crore. Yeah, this is the right method. These terms are used for writing the name of the methods. Yeah. Now example here, how to read the numbers, like how to write the name of the numbers. Example 5, 6, 2, 3, 4. So now this is the greater than 3 digits number first, because the digit in this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 digit number are here and want to put the need of the comma at here. So now we put the comma and the first comma is put after the 3 digits from the right side of the number. Now 1, 2 and 3. Now I put the first comma at here. Now after that the next comma is put after the 2 digits. So now 1 and 2, but 5 के बाद the next number is not present here. Therefore, we not write the comma. And these number is ones, tens, 100. After 100, the 1000 box is coming. These two numbers are present in the 1000 box because 1000 is divided into the two parts. And this number is 1000 and this number is 10,000. So now 1000 box के अंदर 5 and 6. So 5 and 6, how to read the 5 and 6 is 56. Now I write the name is here 56. After that comma is coming and the which box is present? These two numbers are present in a 1000 box. Therefore I write at here 56,000. Next one is here 2 is present at 100. So now 200. Next one are here 3 is called the 30 because it plays at a tens. A tens वाले को tens के साथ में बोलना है. So this is the numbers like a 10, 20, 30. And the next last number is 34. So now this is the name of this number 56,234. Any doubt? This is the method of writing the Indian system of the name of the numbers according to Indian system of numeration. Now I am taking the another example at here like we are having the 6-digit number. This is the 5-digit. We moving to the next 6-digit number are there like 3, 6, 4, 2, 8 and 9. Yeah. So now we want to first write the name. Before writing the name, we put the comma in this and we use the comma from the right side of the number. So now 1, 2 and 3. First comma is placed after the 3 digits. Next comma is placed after the 2 digits. So now 1 and 2 again we put the comma at here because 6k just pass next number is present at here. So now we write the number and we want to write the number. We start from the left hand side and the left hand side is a 3. 3 is placed now. We write the name, we count the name according to place value like the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Because this is a 1000 box and after 1000 we are having the lakh box. But in the lakhs we are having only the 3, only the one digit is called the 3. So now it is 3 lakh. Next we are moving to the 1000 box. The 1000 box we are having the 6 and 4. So now 6 and 4 how to read? 64. Now 64. This is present with the 1000 box. So now I write it here 64,000. Next one is 2 is placed with the 100. So now write it a 200. After that 8 is placed with the tens. So now 8 write with the tens. So now it is called 80. After that the last is ones digit is 9. This is the method to write the name of according to Indian system of numeration. Okay students, thanks. We are starting the next topic in the next. Okay.